What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to install a tempered glass screen protector onto your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Alright, so tempered glass screen protectors are my favorite type of screen protector because it acts as a second layer of glass on top of your glass screen. So usually, when I drop my phone, even if I have a case on it, sometimes it will crack. But since I always have a tempered glass screen protector installed on my phones at all times, usually, or almost like 99% of the time, the tempered glass will take the impact and will crack, but it will save my screen. So it does a tremendous job in saving the screen because, like I said, about 99% of the time that I drop my phone and the screen protector cracks, my phone is never cracked. Okay, a screen repair is very expensive nowadays, and the more you repair your screen, the higher chance of it not functioning properly you will have. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install not only the tempered glass screen protector, but also the rear camera protectors as well. Alright, so first thing we're going to need is the screen protectors and the camera protectors as well. So I ordered this package. It's from Ivoler, and I ordered it on Amazon. There's going to be a link down below in the description. This is super inexpensive. So the price for this was only $6.99, so $6.99, and this actually comes with 3 tempered glass. Okay, so the package actually comes with 3 screen protectors, tempered glass, 3 tempered glass screen protectors, and 3 rear camera glass protectors as well. Then you're also going to get the basic stuff, the wet and dry cleaning cloths. And then we're also going to receive this bracket, which is to position it on the phone, making it easier to install the screen protector. Alright, so let's get started. So first thing we want to do is we're going to use the wet cleaning cloth. Okay, this will help remove any sticky substances on the screen. Okay, once you feel like the screen is cleaned enough, then we're going to go ahead and use the dry cloth just to dry up the screen now from the wet cloth. So just go around the screen until it is completely dry. You may have some leftover dust on the screen. Okay, so what you can do is you can just blow on it gently and they will fly right off since the screen is dry now. Or you can also use these stickers. Okay, you can peel this off. And if you see any dust, you can just place it on the dust and it will stick onto the sticker and remove the dust. So there you go. The screen looks ready to install the screen protector. So we're going to go ahead and place the positioning bracket on the screen here. We're going to get one of these screen protectors. All right, and we're going to peel just on this side. We're going to peel it down, okay? So I like to do it just right over the screen so no dust gets stuck on the screen protector itself. We're going to go ahead and position the top portion first, placing the small hole here on the camera. Okay, and then just let the rest of the screen protector fall gently on the phone. Okay, then you can give it some pressure with your finger from one side of the phone to the other, removing all of the air bubbles. Okay, you're also going to receive this squeegee board thingy. And this is to press down on the screen and it will help remove any leftover air bubbles. Alright, let's go ahead and remove this bracket. And there you go. The screen protector has been successfully installed without any air bubbles. So the other thing I love about these tempered glass screen protectors, aside from it always saving the phone screen, is that it feels really natural since it's a glass-like material. It just feels like you're touching the actual screen of the phone. Unlike some of those plastic film screen protectors that gives it a more plasticky feel to it. This feels very natural and glass-like. So another benefit there. Alright, let's go ahead now and install the rear camera glass protectors. So let's go ahead and position the phone here. For the camera glass screen protector, it's very similar. All we have to do once again is just make sure that the camera lenses here are clean. So you may want to follow the steps again. The wet cloth first, then the dry cloth. Okay, and you want to make sure that the cameras are super clean because any dust on them will make pictures and videos blurry. Okay. Once it's clean enough, we're going to go ahead and just simply peel off the camera here from this plastic sheet. You just peel it off like that. But you will just position it over your cameras like this and just press down on it. There you go. And then just press down on it a little bit more on all the edges to make sure that it sticks onto the frame of the cameras here, as it does have some adhesive to hold it into place. And there you go. As you can see, that is the rear camera protector for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So yeah, very aesthetic look to it, and excellent protection at the same time. Alright, so remember, there is going to be a link down below where you can get this exact package from Amazon, the screen protectors and the camera glass protectors. Go ahead and give the video a like if it helped you out. Comment down below, let me know if it did. And that's all I got for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.